Hi everyone,
I'm Ankit
and
and I'm
I'm
here to tell you about all the amazing set of new premium features that we have developed for all the growing professionals, creators who are now looking to automate or scale their bookings earnings with Topmate. Features such as email campaigns, WhatsApp campaigns can allow you to get the first set of bookings whenever you are planning to launch a new service through automated marketing activities right from the Topmate dashboard. You can also automate a series of communication that you can do to individuals so that you can upsell your services. Features such as cross-sell, purchasing power parity. These allows you to earn more and more money or get the opportunity to earn more money with every single transaction. And there are many such features that allow you to increase the number of bookings that you are getting at the same time, customizing and personalizing your TopMate profile that it becomes your persona in front of everyone. So do check out all the amazing premium features and do keep sharing your feedback on how we can improve this. What are some of the things that we can do to make your experience of using TopMate more and more seamless and more fruitful?